friends. It's time to learn something very important today. Let's learn the alphabet. Let's go!
A. Angora goat. Angora goat. B. Barn. Barn. C. Chicken. Chicken. D. Donkey. Donkey. E. Egg. Egg. F. Farmer. Farmer. G. Goose. Goose. A. Horse. Horse. I. Insect. Insect. J. Jam. Jam. K. Kitten. Kitten. L. Lamb. Lamb. M. Milk. Milk. N. Nesting box. Nesting box. O. Ox. Ox. P. Pig. Pig. Q. Quill. Quill. R. Rooster. Rooster. S. Scarecrow. Scarecrow. T. Tractor. Tractor. U. Others. Others. V. Vegetables. Vegetables. W. Windmill. Windmill. X. Ximania. Ximania. Y. Yogurt. Yogurt. Z. Zucchini. Zucchini.
If you liked this video, please like, subscribe and share it with your friends to support us. And leave a comment. Tell us what kind of cartoon video you want us to make for you. See you the next time. Bye.